Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the HMD Watch P1, and on this video we are going to compare it again with another popular smartwatch, and that is the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. On this video we are going to compare the design, the specifications, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the HMD Watch P1 versus the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and compare these smartwatches. First, let's have the packaging. So we have here the HMD Watch P1. Very compact packaging, easy to store the smartwatch. We have a preview here of the wearable, and at the back we have the specs and features. We also have here the QR code. Then for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro, okay, we have here a preview of the wearable. We have the features and specs on the side, specifications also here, and we have the QR code. So the same, almost the same style, compact and easy to store. Okay, we have the HMD Watch P1 and the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. Next, let's have the smartwatches. Okay, so before we proceed on the design and specs, let's have first the dimension. For our HMD Watch P1, we have, let's see, this is inches. Let's change it to millimeter. 00. We have 37.7. For our length here, we have 45.5. For the H5 Pro, 39.8. 48.6. So for our thickness here, we have 11.1. Then for the H5 Pro, we have 10.0. So for the width, or for the size of the smartwatch, the XWatch H5 Pro do have a bigger body frame, but much slimmer compared to our HMD Watch P1. Okay, so for the weight, we have here 00. 40.48 including the straps. For the Infinix, we have 43.31. Okay, just a minor difference when it comes to body weight. Then for our specifications, so the HMD Watch P1, we do have a 1.83-inch IPS LCD screen, while for the Infinix, as you can see, we do have an AMOLED screen display. Let me see the size here. We have a 2.06-inch. Okay, so much bigger compared to our HMD Watch P1 with a 1.83-inch IPS. The pixel resolution for our HMD Watch P1 is 240 by 284, while for our Infinix is around 410 by 502 pixel resolution. So more premium screen display and more pixels for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, and IP68 waterproof rating. Almost have, I think for the battery life, we have a 10 days battery life for our Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. You only have 4 to 7 days of battery life for the HMD Watch P1. So it is using the My Health app. This one, it is using the HMD Watch app. Both are compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, again, for the specifications, you can check it here on both sides. Next, let's have the design. So for the design, as you can see here, we do have a rotary crown button here or just a crown button for our HMD Watch P1, but it's not rotary. As you can see, it's only on and off. While for the Infinix XWatch or the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro, we have a push button. So simple design. Both do have a flat body frame, plastic. The back, it's also using a pogo pin, charging cable. It has a quick release pin for easy replacement for the strap, as you can see here. Almost the same body frame style here. But for the finish, I like the look here of the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro. It's more metallic, more premium looking. Both do have a stainless steel buckle. Okay. Again, for the design, so which do you think is better in terms of design? Okay, so after the design, let's have the UI. So for the UI, settings and options. The bottom part, we have notifications, live sports score on the bottom part for our HMD Watch P1. Message notifications here on the left side. We have here a dashboard for the different applications. Then on the right side, we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's the UI of our HMD Watch P1 versus the Infinix XWatch H5 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so what do you think of the UI and the design? Again, if you have any questions regarding the video review, drop a comment below, and of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.